Hey y'all, I really didn't want to show my face, but it's me, Shonycee, back again with another video. I look a mess, but it's a business day and I'm a business owner, and today I will be back with another entrepreneur series with entrepreneur video. Today I will be unboxing new inventory. What else? Unboxing new inventory, making new products, labeling new products and everything, posting new products, marketing, doing my website, basically everything that I can do in one day. So like, comment, and subscribe, and follow my business on Instagram, Shenanigans Hair Teak. And if you're in the Virginia area, go follow my Facebook. It will be in the description box, so you can get the latest news about our events that the 757 Entrepreneurs is hosting. It's a big event. It will be over 150 people. We're accepting vendors, but you need to hit me up ASAP if you want to be a vendor, because I don't know if they have spots left right now. But it depends on by the time you hit me up. But yeah, tickets $35, vendor spots start at $70. So yeah, hit me up. Okay, let's get started. So I ran out of containers for my leave-in conditioner, so I ordered these jars, these glass jars, off Amazon. The link will be in the description. If I forget to put it in the description, comment below and let me know, okay? But yeah, I got like 12 jars because I had a little bit of leave-in conditioner left, and I wanted to fill these jars up because Black Friday is coming up. Pop-up shops, y'all know I'm getting ready to sell out, period. So this next box is a box of things that I got from Amazon for the pop-up shop, such as this flower background. I'm going to try to use it on my table. If it don't work on my table, then I'll just set it up in my room for basically, you know, a background. And yeah, it's green, it's leafy. Yeah. Next, I have this product stand. Basically, I ordered like product display stands so like I can display my oils, leave-in conditioner, whatever can fit. I thought this was actually bigger, but I always get scammed by Amazon. But maybe it's because I don't read the links in the description. But next time I know I need to do a little bit more research. But it still came out nice. And I like how it got the wooden sides. That was the main purpose of me getting it, because if you don't know, I dropped the melanin collection. So therefore, the little wooden, the brown, the grass, and like the brown, you know, everything that's melanin to me. So that's why I got that glass wooden stand. And that will be in the description box too. If I forget, just let me know so I can drop the link for you. I'm sorry. I also got these roller bottles for my Edge Growth Oil. It's like the essential oil lip oil rollers. Basically, I got it off Amazon, a 24-pack, because I'm trying out this new product before I start ordering bulk of those, and then I can't sell them. So I'm just trying to fill it out, see how I sell. If it do good, we'll go to the bigger vendor. And of course, you can find products like that at uline.com and packagingandcontainers.com. Y'all, this was my favorite package by far. Okay, I was so excited. I had to mute the video. I was so excited. I was like, who playing with me? Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Do you see my stuff? That's how it's feeling when I opened this package. But yeah, the band in the beginning of the video, that was just a free little gift. That's it. But yes, this is our long bonnet. It can fit locks, long locks, short locks, any kind of locks, soft locks, fake locks, real locks, braids, any long hairstyle. And it also snaps up, knotless braids, all that. You can snap it up, get the hair off your back, keep your hair in tight or whatever, nice, silk, all that good stuff. But yep, this is our melanin collection as far as the brown. So yep, get y'all a melanin long brown bonnet. Yeah. We also have it in pink. I was so excited. Y'all just don't understand. Like, opening this package just made me, it just turned me up to a whole nother level. So yeah, we have the pink ones as well. Also snap up, pink, luxury, long bonnets, soft locks, braids, knotless, passion twist, any long style that you can think of. This bonnet is for you. Period. Next up, we have the reversible adult bonnets. We have it in pink, hot pink, and in the inside is baby pink, and these are so bomb. I just don't feel like the camera do it enough justice. You know, sometimes when you see something in person, the camera just don't do it any justice. So that's how I feel about this product. It is so bomb. Like, it's just so bomb. And speaking of that, I'm recording this video right now and I'm doing this voiceover. I'm about to order some more because, like, look how bomb they are. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. But yes, these are so bomb. I love these. Yes. Shop Shenanigans Hair Tea. I'm really over here thinking, like, should I order some more? Because I'm doing these Black Friday pop-up shops. I'm so excited. Yes. Bomb. Straight up. Straight up. Look at it. Look at that satin though. These are 100% satin bonnets, okay? Shenanigans Hair Teak brand, okay? Shop now. Now, if we had it in pink, you know we gonna have it in brown. It's the melanin collection, okay? We have it in brown and gold reversible. Look, I'm already spilling the tea before it even dropped. You see that though? Stop playing with me. Do you see that? Brown on the outside, gold in the inside. That's how melanin people are. We brown on the outside and we gold inside. Wow. Wow. Check that out though. I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm gonna have to order some more. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, y'all. I really don't. I'm thinking about placing another order. I know that for a fact. Lastly, we have these bomb satin reversible 100% satin pillowcases. Yes, we finally have pillow covers. They are so bomb, y'all. Like, oh my god, like, I'm over here ready for some more. These are so bomb. Like, I don't know, like, what took me so long to get this vision. Check it out though. It's the types of pinks for me, and the way they blend together, that's a whole nother story for a different day. These are so nice, and yeah, you should get you one. Now, y'all know it's time for the melanin collection. Let me hurry up and get this out the bag because y'all need to see it. Y'all need to see it. Check it out. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I was about to say, was it gonna flip over? Okay. Yes, check it out though. That gold, that brown. But you gotta see it in person. That's why you need to order it. Because when you see it in person, you're gonna be like, ooh. Ah. Anyways, y'all shop Shenanigans Hair Teak. This is my new inventory. Now I'm about to show y'all how I label my products. And basically, we preparing for Black Friday. Last minute, as always. Hopefully, I can plan better in the month of January. This year just had so much going on that I wasn't fully committed. Gotta be honest with myself once again. Okay, so in the last part of this video, we're going to be labeling my leave-in conditioner containers and my hair growth oil bottles. I got my labels from Avery. I designed them myself. I am a graphic designer. Y'all follow me, Create Your Own Destiny Graphics on Instagram. Yep, I design websites, flyers, business cards, and more. So yes, get at me if you like my labels. You will see in this video if you keep watching. So y'all, guess what? It's almost 11 o'clock. And guess what? I ran out of labels. I only had 4 labels. Imagine working on this whole project. After you get off work, and then you end up running out of labels. So then you got to postpone this project and do it another day. Wow. But it's all good. So I labeled everything that I could, and I just put the rest up for when I get more labels in. Yeah. So that's what happened. And yeah. So I forgot to do an outro to this video. So thanks y'all so much for watching and supporting me and my business. Follow us on Instagram, Shenanigans Hair Tea. Peace.